So we already did this step. Now this is for the Impressions Controller User Manual. It has like a slight buzzing sound, but it's not loud. A lot of people have complained about that. This says, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there is a buzzing sound. It's not too bad. This is the mirror. It's huge. It's so huge. But I do have room here for the dimmer. This is all the way dimmed. And then this is all the way bright. Just takes a second to adjust. We did unfortunately have to take that cabinet for now until we buy the proper cord thing for this setup. On this side, you can't really see. Let me try and show you. It brings 2 USB and 2 ports to like plugins. And this is on like the IKEA mount, so it like fits perfectly on that top mount. This is an IKEA desk and the Alex 5 drawer, and then there's nothing here, no leg or anything, don't mind that. But it is mounted to the wall. We have it on this for now until we get the wall mount, which should be coming in like a week or so, a week and a half. But I'm very scared because there's all this space here. Scared it's gonna fall forward. Oh, I also forgot. So this is what I'm trying to learn, is this. This is the Bluetooth thing. So it says here, these are the instructions. Seems pretty straightforward. Press the key 6 to turn on the screen and the backlighting of the keypad system, which will show the current and time. So, oh, so that kind of controls this too. It says to hold it for 3 seconds. I have no idea what I'm doing. It literally says, press key 5 about 3 seconds so the hour number blinks in the system. Press key 1 or 2 to adjust the hour number when the number is blinking. Then press the key 5 to switch to adjust the minute number when it's blinking. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, stop blinking. Okay. Press it again. Look! So now you see my struggle right now. Let me set this up. I'll be back. Okay. So I fixed it. 6:37, November 14th. And then that's the temperature. Now, press key 4 to open the Bluetooth function first or FM radio function second. Press, what? Press key 4, which is the Bluetooth. Okay. Is that where I go? I heard it. Settings. Gonna go, yeah. Bluetooth. And let's see if it comes up. Impressions. It's connected. There it is. Let's give it a quick try. Volume 8. Right now it's at volume 8. Oh, that changes the song. I thought it was the volume. Oh! Okay, so the volume, the upper left area of the screen will show the Bluetooth connection status or radio channel information. This area will show the date again, and the media play function is off. In the radio function, press 3 about this will save and search the radio audio. Okay, to adjust the volume, press key 3 once. Oh yeah, and then it blinks.
You can't resist it, especially when the light's so bright and the money's so bright and
it's so loud. I need to show my husband. So let me finish cleaning this and setting up my whole area, and then cleaning this up a little bit too, and I'll be back. This is, oh my god, I love it. Is this all the way up? No, it's not even all the way. Yeah, it is all the way up. Okay, cool. So I'll be back. Okay. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! So happy. That's done. Okay. Don't mind the focusing on this, but this is what I have. We finally mounted it. We have finally mounted it. The big surfboard is gone, so now I have a ton more space. Get all of this back. It looks so pretty. Now we're still waiting for the long extension cord so this situation can be fixed. I need to clean the top and figure out what I'm gonna do. I think I want to add fairy lights up here. I definitely want to change the curtains, and I want to paint this whole room white. First I have to convince my husband if he's up for the challenge, but he's not into it right now. But this is it for now, and I'll be back with an update once everything is all much better looking. So, look at that. Look at this lighting. Bye. Okay, I'm actually so rude because I forgot to tell you guys. I also ordered this mirror, the Bijou LED hand mirror with a charging stand. I was so excited. I'm sorry, I apologize if you guys can hear my husband in the background, but I was so excited. This was on sale. I just know I got it for like $40 on sale, which might be pretty still expensive, but I needed a traveling mirror because I'm not sure you guys can see that I use that for filming, but it's not really good for traveling, which sucks. It's an awesome mirror, don't get me wrong. I got it for Christmas 3 years ago from my husband, and it was really good. But it's time for smaller and better things. But this is a Bijou LED hand mirror with charging stand. It's soft touch sensor dimmer switch, long lasting daylight LED lights, signature like dual rechargeable for cordless use, charging stand, and diamond class 1-year warranty. So I'm gonna open it. Comes with this little packet, but no one really reads these packets, unfortunately. Comes with a little pouch for traveling, which is awesome. What I also forgot to tell you is that this mirror comes in other colors. So it comes in gold, rose gold, white, and black. I'm gonna open it. Oh, it's a pretty good size. I thought it would actually be kind of smaller. I didn't see a lot of videos on this or like pictures. Oh my god, the mirror is like so crystal clear. Look, you guys, Inception, look at that. But that is so, I'm obsessed. This mirror is so cool. So, oh, it's actually charged. Dude, this is awesome because my issue, if you guys have seen in my past vlogs, is when we go out on vacation or even like hotel rooms, like hotels and resorts, the lighting in there is really horrible. So I wanted a mirror that's good to travel with. I had one of those like standard small square ones that everyone has, but mine's broke, and I just decided to go this way. I liked everything about this one, that it's handheld and you can charge it, have it standing up. The one downfall about this is that obviously it doesn't like twist and turn like that one. You can tell it has handles on the side, so you can like angle it better. This one doesn't, but that's fine. This is mostly for traveling. And obviously I want it on my stand to look really pretty. So this is the little bag. Just want to see. Fits nice. So that's good. I can just put it in my luggage while we're traveling and that, and make sure it doesn't get scratched. It also comes with a magnifier ×5. ×5 magnifying mirror. There we go. And, ooh, not that. That's really freaking crystal clear. If it connects, I'm gonna... Does it? Did you just scratch it? Sorry. Yeah. No, it feels like it should. Yes, there we go. That is freaking awesome. Awesome, awesome. I love that. Also comes with the stand in which you charge it. If I can get it out. Awesome. So this is a little stand. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Connect it. Awesome. There it is. I put it down. Yeah, that's the one downfall. It has a short stick, so I would literally have to balance it on something, but I'll find something in each hotel, or I'll even hold it myself. I don't really care. And then at the very bottom is the charging wire. That's easy and convenient. It does say, I forgot where, but the lasting of the like the batteries of the mirror is pretty long. It says long-lasting daylight LED lights, energy-saving bright daylight LED lighting, perfect for makeup with average lifespan of 50,000 hours. That is awesome. I'm just obsessed. I love the little detailing, sorry, of the diamonds. It's so cute and so girly. I love that it's glossy white, so it matches with the mirror and it matches with the vanity. I'm so obsessed. I can't wait till we finally buy a house and I have like my own vanity section, not a closet, but this will do for now. Has a little mark, which is really annoying. It has like a little speck on it, but that's fine. That's nothing I can't deal with. But again, just wanted to show you guys the Bijou LED hair mirror with charging stand from Impressions. And let me show you guys actually. I'll take that off. So this is it. This is a little light button, so you just hold on that. Can you guys see that? I think if you hold it, it gets dimmer. Yeah. So you press it again and that's all the way bright. Hold it down. Wait. Hold it down and then it just gets dimmer, which is awesome. I actually want to show you guys in the dark. Give me a second. Okay. Weird. We're in the semi-dark. Ooh, look how it changed. But I just want to show you how bright it is. So we're going to press the button. Oof. There we go. This is... oh my god, it's like making my head hurt a little bit because it's so bright, but I love it. And this is awesome. This is probably the second best purchase I've made because the first one is obviously my mirror. I freaking love my mirror. But again, just wanted to show you guys this beautiful mirror. Comes with this, slaps on it, and even that is awesome. So I'm really excited about this purchase. I'm so happy. I can't wait to travel with it. You guys will obviously see it on my upcoming trips. Give me a second. So yeah, you guys will definitely see this on my upcoming trip because I am going on a vacation in like 3 months, which I'm so excited about. I can't wait to vlog for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. So I will be back once everything's semi done because there's so much more I want to do to this room, but I'm still waiting to fix this and then organize everything, and I'll show you guys my last final vanity tour. Okay guys, so it's now been a few weeks later, maybe like 2 weeks later since that last part that I filmed. This is what I have so far. Don't mind, I was just editing the video and I realized that I did have to give you guys an update, so my apologies. But this is what I have so far. I added this rock light that my husband got me. What I want to do is I want to start separating my lipsticks and putting it into... I want to separate the lipsticks and put them in here by colors and tones and all that good stuff. But as you see, I updated this. I have these very old fairy lights that I got from like probably over 5 years ago from IKEA, if I'm not mistaken. But I do want to get the curtain type ones, and I obviously, like I said before, I want to update this. This just does not go with my room, these curtains. But this is what I have so far. As you see, you'll see a sneak peek of what I'm collecting so far for my next video, which is a makeup haul type video. I got this. Isn't this so freaking cute? It says break in case of fabulous. I saw this at a store. It was like 10 bucks. I had to get it. Flowers are still going strong. they're trying to hold on, but this is what I have so far. We finally fixed that. We got an extension cord, and we fixed, it's focusing, okay, sorry, and we added these shelves for our shoes so they're not just thrown all over the floor. Now we have more space on the floor. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a last final update. You'll notice that my Bijou Mirror is not there anymore. It's packaged right now because it was defected, unfortunately. So I contacted Impressions, the Impressions customer service in an email. I let them know that it would be fully charged, but yet the battery would only last for a few hours and it would start flickering. They asked for a video and what was going on, and I sent it to them, and they were nice enough to send me a prepaid label. So all I have to do is just send it out and they'll go ahead and send me a new one. So they're really nice. I've always heard when I was watching review videos on any of their products that they're very nice and like attentive in trying to get their stuff fixed for you and resent a new one. So I was really happy about that. But I still love this mirror. This is the best purchase ever. I'm in love with it. I highly recommend it to anyone. Yes, it's a splurge, but I would say if you want, wait until they have a big sale again, because again, I got this during their big Black Friday type month sale. I know they do that yearly, and they also do one around the 4th of July where they do the whole month of July, if I'm not mistaken. They probably do a couple other months, so I would just keep an eye on it and follow them on Instagram. But everything other than that is, I love their products. I love this, their mirror. I'm really sad I have to send it back. I'm gonna have to go probably a week or two without it, but that's okay as long as I get a new one. But I did want to come out here and just close out the vlog, and well, vlog slash review of all this beautiful, wonderful stuff, and I highly recommend it. And if you guys are excited about my next video, which is, like I said, an unboxing, then go ahead and subscribe and click the little notification button so you know when I upload. And also, yeah, I'm just like rambling now, but that is the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.